Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're going to show you how to change YouTube home screen size in PC so you can customize your viewing experience exactly the way you like it. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to youtube.com. This will take you straight to the YouTube homepage where you can see the current layout. Next, click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of your browser. This menu gives you access to important settings and options for your browser. Now, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. Settings is where you can control many aspects of your browsing experience. After that, click on Extensions in the Settings menu. Extensions are small tools that add new features to your browser, and that's what we need here. Then, click on Chrome Web Store on the left-hand side of the Extensions page. The Chrome Web Store is where you can find and install new extensions. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube Redux and press Enter. YouTube Redux is the extension that will let us adjust the home screen layout. Look through the search results and find YouTube Redux, then click on it. Make sure you choose the correct extension that matches the name exactly. Next, click Add to Chrome to begin installing the extension. This will start the download and prepare the extension for use. When a pop-up appears, click Add Extension to confirm the installation. This step is important to allow the extension to work properly in your browser. Once installed, go to the extension settings and look for the option called Number of Videos per Row. Adjusting this setting will change how many videos appear across your YouTube home screen. Finally, return to YouTube and you'll see the new layout based on your changes. Enjoy your customized YouTube homepage with the perfect screen size for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.